In this two-part tutorial series, we will explain why certain clauses in Cloud and Software as a Service or SaaS agreements require special attention. Although Cloud and SaaS are two separate and distinct items, we have chosen to discuss them together because they are so closely related to one another. In fact, many experts often use the terms interchangeably. DoD ESI currently has two tools available that provide a broader understanding of Cloud and SaaS. A video titled Cloud Computing and Software as a Service and a white paper titled Cloud-Based Software Contract Negotiations. Both are available on the ESI website. DoD also delivers a two-day class that covers many foundational software-related topics and negotiating guidance for specific terms and conditions found in a software license. Cloud and SaaS definitions, characteristics, and terms and conditions are included in the class. The authoritative government document for defining Cloud and SaaS is NIST Publication 800-145. According to the NIST document and other industry experts, a cloud is a combination of infrastructure and service models. SaaS is one of the service models available in a cloud. Customers considering a cloud-based solution should review DFARS Part 239 and check for updates to federal and DoD policies and regulations related to cloud offerings. There are four types of cloud deployment models: private, public, hybrid, and community. Public clouds are open to the general public. They can be used by any number of unrelated entities. Private clouds are provisioned for the exclusive use of a single organization or entity. A hybrid cloud consists of a combination of private cloud and public cloud elements. Community clouds are shared by multiple entities with shared concerns. Community clouds can be private, public, or hybrid. SaaS is a business model for delivering software to customers. Instead of buying a traditional software license and running it on the customer's or a third party's infrastructure, SaaS is a model where infrastructure and software are completely outsourced. It makes the provision of software more like a utility. For example, when we want to use electricity, we don't build our own power plant and run all the cables. We simply plug an appliance into a receptacle. A SaaS arrangement uses a similar approach. The SaaS company provides all the infrastructure, database, and operating system software needed to operate the application software. We just log in and use the software. An oversimplification to be sure, but the concepts are the same. There are a number of differences between traditional software deployments and cloud or SaaS. This video will review a few of these differences. Traditional licenses are usually perpetual, meaning the software can be used into perpetuity or forever. Cloud or SaaS licenses are usually issued on a subscription basis for a certain period of time. Traditional licenses are usually installed and maintained on-premise, while cloud and SaaS are almost always off-premise. With traditional licenses, the licensee takes custody of the software. In cloud and SaaS licenses, the licensee does not take custody of the software. The licensor retains custody and control. There are several other comparisons we can make. Please see the white paper titled Cloud-Based Software Contract Negotiations on the ESI website, or attend the ESI class on best practices in EULAs for more details. The 5 primary reasons given for considering cloud or SaaS are: reduced cost, greater flexibility, enhanced collaboration, tighter security, and speed of deployment. A few important questions to ask when analyzing a SaaS or cloud proposal are as follows. First, when considering the proposed cost, what is the expected time horizon the vendor used for pricing the cloud or SaaS offering? If it is shorter than your expected time horizon, you could end up spending a lot more on the SaaS license than on a traditional one. For example, if the traditional license cost is $1 million and the SaaS license is $250,000 per year, we could assume the vendor's expected time horizon for the SaaS price is 4 years. If we paid $1 million for the traditional or $250,000 a year for 4 years for the SaaS, we would pay the same amount for either license type. However, if we continue paying $250,000 for another 4 years after the initial 4-year term, we would pay $2 million for the license, or 2 times the traditional license price. This excess cost would likely wipe out potential cost savings. And second, a similar analysis should be undertaken for each of the remaining 4 reasons for using cloud or SaaS. The ESI video and white paper referred to earlier should be consulted for more information. Please refer to Part 2 of this tutorial series on key clauses in cloud and SaaS agreements for more information.